Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica Skin Perfect Primer SPF30. Now your Skin Perfect Primer SPF30 is a 2-in-1 product. Firstly, you have the cosmetic benefits which improve the look and feel of your makeup, and at the same time you are treating the signs of aging. It also has a built-in SPF30 and is a total skin treatment. Now, it helps smooth fine lines, brighten and prime for flawless skin and prep for makeup application. It has a Velvety Formula with soy protein which helps even out skin texture, creating a smoother surface. It also has pearl powder, a natural earth mineral which will provide a neutral tint for visible luminosity, radiance and a more even skin tone. A potent peptide that helps support skin firmness, and of course it has broadband sunscreens which help shield against sun damage triggered by UV light. The Skin Perfect Primer is great for a mature or prematurely aging skin. After applying your moisturizer, smooth and blend over the entire face and your neck. Now it works great with your dynamic skin recovery, SPF30. So also, if you want, you can just wear it on its own underneath your makeup or as your makeup base. So if you would like to purchase the Skin Perfect Primer, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.